So Ryan, I've been around loads of different businesses before, and I've never been in a room like this. Like, there's a gym in the corner, there's all these things up on the wall. Like, what is this room and what happens here?
This is our morning meeting area. Every single morning we have a meeting with every single person in our company. Meeting normally lasts about 15-20 minutes, but the main thing is that we're starting every single morning with an improvement mindset, because we're teaching and training on lean every single day.
You're investing as a business, like you've a big team. You're taking every single person out of the business for 20 minutes every single day to do that. What's the benefit of doing that?
That was one of the biggest things that we had to try and get our head around when we started doing lean. We had lots of ideas for how we could improve things, but people would say, I don't have time to improve. So we realized, okay, this is a bottleneck. So we actually give people the time to improve. First 15-20 minutes is the meeting. Then for 30 minutes, we improve with every person every single day. So we're going around making improvements, maybe making a place for your tool, making a holder for your drill, maybe 3S in your area. So every single person is improving every single day. And it wasn't until we took that leap of faith and done that we started to get really good results.
That's a big leap of faith, like an hour a day, really, that you're investing before the work's even begun. That's different, because I know the businesses I've looked at, it's just like, how do we get as much time out of our people as possible? And here you're the first hour of every day. You're not even making stuff. Mad.
That's right. We always say we improve, then we work. But when we do start work, we're really efficient, because we've invested that time in the morning to set us up for the day. So talk about the 3 E's, every person, every day engaged. And that's exactly what we've got here. Every single person is making improvements all the time, and they're all engaged in the process. It's not like it's me and 3 or 4 others going around suggesting all these improvements. Every single person is empowered to do that. And the reason that is because every single person is a process engineer. And their entire job is to improve the process. So our accountant, for example, our accountant Kerry's job is not to do the accounts. Kerry's entire job is to improve the process of doing the accounts. Wow. Somebody in the welding area isn't a welder. They're actually paid to improve the process of welding. So our entire job, from we come in the door in the morning to we go out the door in the evening, is to improve the process of manufacturing chairs. It's not to manufacture chairs.
Wow.
And that shift is massive if you think about it. Similarly, we have no cleaners in the company. We just have no cleaners. The place is spotless. It's sparkling clean, because every single person keeps it that way, because we've improved the process of how we keep the factory. Seton Matters, we're paying people to improve the job. We're not paying people to do the job. And that's a massive shift. In most companies, they're paid from, you'll hear people saying this, they're paid from the neck down. At Seton Matters, we're paid from the neck up. We're paid to think. We're paid to be creative, because it's one of the biggest wastes, the wastes of unused or untapped potential. It is the biggest waste, I think. And to have a company full of really talented individuals, but not tap into their genius, I think is a huge waste.